Now is the time to find our very first note on the piano, which is middle C. Now the way we find it is just like this. If we come to the middle of the piano, this section right here where the two black notes are, from this black note, we go slightly to the left to this white note right here, and this one is called middle C. Now we'll switch over and play it with our right hand thumb, which is number 1. And we're going to switch over it again and play it with our left hand thumb this time. Now the way we can find some other C's is just like this. Find some other pairs of black notes on the piano, go slightly to the left, and that right there is another C. Now you've got 20 seconds only to see if you can find some other C's on the piano. Ready, set, go. Now 20 seconds is up. How many C's did you find on the piano? 2, 3, 4? Now there's actually a total of 8 of them. Even if you found 2 or 3, that is still incredible, so really well done.